All right, we've got all our little base prep boards in earlier. Got one more course here to go on the back wall of 2x12s. I had to use that form liner there just to hold it up because it started getting kind of heavy. It started kind of racking on itself. You see there'll be a few doorways we'll cut in. So there'll be one here. Instead of cutting the form so they can be used another day, I'm just going to put a block in and then tap around it and hopefully the concrete flows through. And if we get a little air pocket, it's all right. We're going to put there's going to be a little step in here. That'll flow over the top of it anyway. We are going to have to cut some of the rebar out here though. I just did it continuous to move quickly when I was doing it before, but both here and on that side there. So all the inner little guide boards are all in as well. Just did everything like assembly line, all the same stuff at the same time. Let's see, have the tools out for it. And then I set all the outside forms. And we'll come back. Took a string line, and these are like an 1/8 off or something. They're really close, so we can adjust the wall on top of that to make it perfectly square in the front. So yeah, the back wall is going to get one more. One more 2x12, I think. We'll measure it and make sure maybe a 2x10. Find out. And as long as enough of these 2x12s hold up, we're going to attempt to use them in the floor joist framing of the building. So we'll see what happens. I think I obviously need to add some more rebar here. And I may have to add one more course of rebar over there on that wall just to get it up a little higher. But end of another day.